Imagine unwrapping a candy that doesn't just taste sour, sweet, and satisfying, but actually glows under black light. Sour Patch Kids. Glow Addition isn't a gimmick. It's a bold evolution in the world of candy, part science experiment, part marketing genius, and 100% TikTok bait. But how did it happen? And why is it changing the game for everyone from candy lovers to social media creators? Let's pull back the wrapper on the glowing secret that Mondelez never expected to go viral. To understand how we got here, we have to rewind to the 1970s. Sour Patch Kids were born in Canada in 1976 under the name Mars Men, a nod to UFO and alien mania sweeping pop culture. But when the candy hit US shelves in the 1980s, it was rebranded as Sour Patch Kids, riding the coattails of the Cabbage Patch craze. The formula was deceptively simple. Hit the taste buds with sour citric acid, then immediately follow it up with sugar and fruit flavor. The result? A flavor roller coaster no other candy could match. Fast forward to the 2010s, and Sour Patch Kids were already an iconic brand, appearing in video games, movies, and their own NYC flagship store. But innovation never stopped. It just needed a reason to go glow in the dark. In 2024, Mondelez, Sour Patch's parent company, was quietly testing a wild idea. What if candy could do more than just taste good? What if it could perform? That's where turmeric comes in. Turmeric is a spice best known for its role in curry and wellness smoothies. But here's the twist. Turmeric contains a compound called curcumin, an organic chemical that naturally fluoresces under UV or black light. Mondelez food scientists figured out how to blend a microdose of turmeric extract into the candy's coating, just enough to create a subtle glow when exposed to black light without affecting flavor. No artificial dyes, no chemicals, just biofluorescence. In other words, nature's highlighter inside your candy. And the moment they cracked that formula, the countdown to virality began. Before hitting store shelves, Mondelez ran extensive taste tests and glow tests. Focus groups in New Jersey and Chicago were invited to try the Glow Addition in controlled environments. Reactions ranged from awe to disbelief. Teen testers immediately took out their phones to capture it under UV. "This looks insane under my LED light," one participant said. "Like, this belongs on TikTok." By late 2024, the Glow Addition received green light for limited release across North America. Packaging featured neon outlines, glow streaks, and a bold call-out: "Blacklight ready." Sour Patch wasn't just selling candy, it was selling a shareable moment, and nothing spreads faster than a candy that performs. January 2025. A TikTok creator known as @SnackVision uploads a 30-second video. It's simple. He tears open a Glow Addition bag, flips on a black light, and boom! Tiny Sour Patch Kids light up in electric greens and yellows like they've just left a rave. Within 48 hours, the video racks up 11 million views. Within a week, it inspires more than 60,000 spin-offs using the same audio. Unboxing videos, ASMR bites, UV party trays, even classroom science demos. The hashtag Glow Candy Challenge, over 300 million views by March 2025. This wasn't just trending, it was rewriting how food is marketed on social. Now pause for a moment and ask yourself, why do we love this? Because it's not just candy anymore, it's an experience. A conversation starter, a party trick, a dopamine hit in sugar form, and TikTok is the megaphone. Sour Patch Kids tapped into something deeper, the human desire to be surprised, to discover, to share something nobody else has seen. And that's the secret sauce of virality. when your product stops being food and starts being performance. Walmart couldn't keep it stocked. Gas stations reported triple the reorder rates. And eBay? Sellers were flipping limited edition bags for $15 to $30 each, depending on region. A $3 candy became a collector's item overnight. Meanwhile, Mondelez issued press statements assuring the public that Glow Edition was fully FDA compliant, using natural fluorescence derived from turmeric extract and containing zero synthetic additives. Retailers started setting up blacklight booths at checkout. Sour Patch became the first candy brand to invite customers to view it under a different light. Literally. It wasn't just marketing, it was showmanship. By spring 2025, Glow Edition wasn't just in stores. It was in classrooms, nightclubs, and Halloween parties. It appeared in makeup tutorials, in slime videos, in UV reactive dessert recipes. YouTubers recreated it with DIY kits. Science teachers used it to demonstrate fluorescence. Makeup artists embedded it in edible lip gloss. And as social platforms embraced immersive visuals, Glow Edition became the candy of the moment. Even Gen Alpha started calling it that party candy. Not because it made you feel wild, but because it made you feel seen. Here's the question Mondelez is asking right now. If candy can glow, what's next? Can it change colors when touched? Can it react to music? Can it pulse under strobe lights? Glow Edition opened the door to a new category, sensory candy. And the future isn't about just taste. It's about full-spectrum sensory engagement. What we eat might soon become how we play. So next time you see a candy glowing in the dark, remember, this started with one idea, one natural compound, and one fearless innovation. Sour Patch Kids. Glow Edition isn't just a treat, it's a phenomenon. It's proof that with the right spark, even the simplest candy can become a cultural event. And maybe that's the sweetest part of all. If you love learning how your favorite foods are made and want more deep dives like this, hit that like button and subscribe to Curious Constructs. There's a whole world of candy and tech colliding, and we're just getting started.